All right, we're going on a special little ride. We're gonna go see a friend of Toby. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna put the seatbelt on. I don't know if it's really gonna do much, but might be a good idea, right? Just a little, maybe. I don't know. We're trying. Okay, let's hit the road, Jack. Totally. Bow wow. Bow wow. You gonna talk to me on this ride? Yeah. Good. Will you navigate me? You're great. You're great, Togli. You're so great. Yeah, you are. I took a picture of you and I took a picture of the camera. Oh, we got this getting in the way. Let's load that. What? Won't you dance for me again? You give me a kiss? No, that's vibrating. Good Lord. What is vibrating? Good bird. You're such a good bird. You're such a good bird. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You gonna go see your friend? Who are you gonna see? Who are you gonna see? You tell them who you're gonna see? Who are you gonna see? Are you happy you're going to see your buddy? Who are you going to see now, buddy? Who are you going to see? Who are you going to see? Somebody you love? Who are you going to see? Tell them who you're going to see. You don't want to tell them who you're going to see? Mm-hmm. You don't want to tell them who you're going to see? Mm-hmm. Are you excited? We're going to go on a little car ride. When's the last time you went on a car ride? Was that a while ago? Mm-hmm. Once it's warm, we'll turn on the heat, okay? Yeah? Yeah, you're a good bird. Who are we going to see? Who are we going to see? You going to see someone you love? You going to see somebody you love? Mm-hmm. What do you think, bird? What? Are you excited? Yeah. You gonna see your friend? Bow wow. Bow wow. No, you're not gonna see any dogs. You might see a kitty. What does a kitty say? Do you remember what a kitty says? A kitty dances and beatboxes like you. That's a dog. A dog says woof woof. A little dog goes woof, 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 woof. What's a big dog say? You want a whole band of beatboxing animals, don't you? You want me to pet ya? You want me to touch ya? You want me to love ya? Oh yeah, I love you. Yes, you're a good bird. Yeah, are you excited? Ooh, kisses to you too. You're great. What do you think? What do you think, handsome? You're silly. You're a silly bird. Are you a loving bird? Are you a loving bird? Yes, I know. Means yes, doesn't it? I know you're excited. Okay, the engine's warm. I'm gonna get some warm air in here. Yeah, what do you think? Are you a silly bird? What do you want to tell me? Hey, Papa, Papa, I love you. Yeah. Oh. Is that a screech owl? Yeah. What does a rooster say? That's what Totally says and does. Totally's great. Yes, you're silly. Yes, you're a silly bird. Yes, you're a silly bird. You going for a car ride? What? What? You want to say that? Papa, you too. You're silly. You're a silly bird. Yes, you are. Kisses to you too. Who we're gonna go see? Who do you want to go see? Tell me. Who should we go see? I kind of need to turn it off for 1 second so I can merge, okay? Not real great fun. Stupid. Oh, I thought me. Okay. Go ahead and move over, dude. He wants to pass. Oh boy. Alright, you want to pass him now? Go ahead. What do you think, bird? What do you think, bird? Tell me who we're going to see. I want you to say it. Who do you want to come over? Well, we're going over there. What do you think? What do you think? Are you silly? Should we zoom on you? Would that be better? I don't really know, like, what is the best way to try to see you on this thing. Is that good? What do you take there? Maybe. What are you doing? What? Don't bend the bars. You want my attention? Why don't you say something interesting? Like who we're going to see. Who are we going to see? Oh, you're silly. Papa, you. Papa, you. You're silly. I know. I'm not hungry though. I'm good. I had a snack. I'm gonna have a drink of my water though. What do you think, Toe? pretty bird? Are you breeding? Yes, you are. Do your apple crunch sound. Do that one. Okay, you're gonna do a screech owl? Okay, do that one then. Bow wow. Bow wow. Are you a big dog when you say bow wow? You're so funny. You're a silly bird. Papa, you, I love you. You're such a bird, you know that? You're okay. I know. It's okay. It's okay. You're good. You don't need to regurgitate. I'm totally fine. I got my water. What you doing over there? Very silly. Yeah, you're a good bird. I know. I know you're a good bird. I know you're a fun, silly bird. Don't mess with the wires. What do you think, bird? We'll be there in a few. What you doing? You got something to say? You don't want to be talkative? Who are we going to see? What? Sorry, did I startle you by putting my arm down? Who are we going to see? Do you remember that time we hid the deer? You were in the front seat, remember? We hid the deer. I think Bailey was in the back seat. Yeah, that was funny. That was funny. You know what? Yeah, you silly. Why don't you say something? You're not saying anything good. Be funny. That's your apple sound? Or is that a gulp? Half between a fart and a bite? Whoop, whoop, yourself. Oh, we got a red light. What do you think? You holding on for dear life? You holding on for dear life? What is it? What? You see the red light? What is it? You're okay. What? What? Shall I join the video with you? What? What is it? What do you want to say? What do you think? You got nothing? Now we're accelerating. I know. Smoother is better, right? You're okay. Give any kisses? To you too. Yeah. Who's your favorite person? You going to see your favorite person? Who are we going to see? I'm not getting you out right now. You're okay. You're alright. You're okay. You're alright. Yeah, you're okay. Yeah, you're okay. It's alright. You got another red light? What are you gonna do about that? You got another red light? Can I pet you? Can I pet you? No pet you? You gonna play with my feet? You're sweet. I'm glad you're so nice and gentle. Yeah, I love you too. You're okay. You're okay, baby. We'll be there in a little bit. Yes, thank you for the kisses. You're okay. I promise you're okay. You're okay. What is it? You don't like thinking about the time we hit here? Bailey's waiting at home. You're good. We'll be back in to see Bailey after, okay? You're okay. You're okay. You're alright. Yeah. Oh, look. It's a green light. I don't know if we're going to make it, though. Because that light is a short one. We'll see. We'll do our best. We're either making the light or slamming on our brakes. We're about to find it all. But this guy in the front doesn't want to make it. So this guy's going to go around him. Yeah, I like the way you go around him. You have to do that too. That. We made it. Yeah, we went around the snow line. Great. Oh, damn, you can cross in the midst of light. That's scary. You're silly. Gonna go this way. Hold on tight. We're taking a turn. Yes. We'll be there soon. We're gonna go see something. Who are we gonna see? See your friend? We're gonna see your friend that I love. Yeah. And give kisses to her. Yeah. Gonna have a nice visit. Just for a couple minutes. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. I know. He's bumpy. See our friend. Yeah, you're okay. I love you too. Unfortunately, it's going to be a red light, babe. sorry. Oh, it turned green. Well, that was lucky. Yeah, we'll be there in a little bit. What you doing? We'll be there in a little bit. Okay. Yes, it's okay. Yeah, I know. I know you're excited. You're okay. You're scared. So you do. You'll be okay. Don't worry. Yes, I know. I'm reassuring you. You'll be okay. Yeah. I know. You'll be alright. Just a few more minutes. Do you do, bird? Say, I'm totally fascinated. I'm such a bird. Bow wow. Yeah. Bow wow. Bow wow. Yippee yay. What else do you want to say? You want to do that? You want to do. Yeah, you love the beatbox. Yeah, you do. You're good at it. What else do you like to do? Do you like to whistle sometimes? You know whistle? You know make up a song? Yeah, you're a pretty bird. You're okay, we'll be there in a little bit. Bow wow. Bow wow. Bow wow. Yeah, you're a good bird. Yeah, you're a good bird. You're all right. You're all right. Who are we gonna see? Oh, you think we're gonna see a sweet child? No, we're gonna see Ryan. You want to see Ryan? We're gonna see Ryan. Would that be fun? Are you excited about seeing Ryan? I didn't say his name. I was hoping you would say it. I was hoping you would say Ryan. Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna see a friend. Yeah, are you excited about that? You'll be all right. You'll be all right. We'll be there soon. Yes. Yeah. Don't worry. What do you think? Bow wow. Bow wow? Okay, we're gonna go around the big turn. Yeah, it's alright. You're all right. You're such a good bird. Oh, are you gonna go over there? There's water over there if you want to get a drink. You gonna get a drink of water? Are you looking out that way? I don't know if we can see you that way. Darn it. Oh well. We can't see you now.